How to send Memefi Coin on your OKX wallet. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. This video is going to be about on how you can easily send the Memefi Coin using your OKX wallet. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe button. And on that note, let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is open up your wallet and make sure that you're on your wallet section. And there you need to have some Memefi Coin along with the Sui coin, because the Sui wallet address is used to send your Memefi coin. So once you do that, you just have to tap on your wallet and then tap on deposit. And once you tap on deposit, you are just going to search for Memefi. And once you search for it, you will get a deposit reminder. And here you'll have to choose the Sui as your deposit. So once you do that, you just slide the screen to continue, and then you are just going to copy the wallet address from here. Once you copy the wallet address, you just go back to your exchange and then tap on wallet again. And once you get on wallet, you can tap on the Memefi coin that you have and paste the wallet address right there. And once you paste the wallet address that you just copied, you will get this option to choose your Sui fee network, where you will use 0.0044 amount of Sui, which roughly equivalates to 0 point something dollars. So once you do that, you just hit confirm and you should be able to make the transaction. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.